Make una watch this video. Make una see how this woman praise the owner of Airpeace unto different reasons. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Oga, your own no go spoil. Your different kind of activism of making Nigeria great motherland. Have you heard? Have you heard? Have you never heard? Yet peace is starting to go to London. Then you gonna pay in naira. Wallahi, the ticket will not reach 1.2 million. It not reach 1.2 million. That one where we dey spend 3 pay 15 million first class. Oh yeah, man. Airpeace is gonna be 1.2. If you get students, it's gonna reduce. Oh, what do when they add the tax, maybe 1.3, you pay in naira. Better if we buy ticket, they go say, but then if you don't pay in 20 minutes time, dollar is the hey, pull up. Una no for gonna